Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm showing you how to get amazing shaders in Roblox that work across every game out there. For today's video, I'm using Murder Mystery 2, and trust me, these shaders make everything look so much better. Let's get straight into it. First things first, open the Roblox website and load up Murder Mystery 2. Now, copy the game title right from the page. Find the blue play button, right-click it, and select Inspect. Head over to the Network tab up top. Paste the game title into the filter bar. Refresh the page using F5. Find the entry that appears, right-click it, and select Copy as PowerShell. Now jump over to our special website. Drop everything you copied into the field, click Submit, and hold on for a second. And that's it. Shaders are live. Murder Mystery 2 never looked this good. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more Roblox stuff. See ya!